Welcome back to my channel, Stoicism. Tell me, women notice a lot more than you might think when they first meet a man. And some of those things can instantly make you more attractive, from the way you carry yourself to the small details, like your smile or the energy you bring into the room. Every little thing counts in today's video. We're diving into the first things women notice about men and what makes them stand out. Stay tuned until the end to discover the key things you can work on to make a lasting impression. Let's dive in. Let's start with eyes. Have you ever felt like someone could say 1,000 words just with their eyes? Well, that's because eyes are one of the first things women notice about men, and they can be incredibly attractive. They're more than just a physical feature. They're windows into your emotions and personality. Women pay attention to how your eyes move. Whether they're warm and inviting or distant and uninterested. Eye contact, for example, can show confidence, curiosity, or even a hint of which many find appealing. Let's say you're talking to her and you maintain a steady yet relaxed gaze. It shows you're focused and genuinely interested in what she's saying. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact might give the impression that you're nervous or uninterested. Even the color or shape of your eyes can grab attention. But what truly makes them stand out is the way they express emotion and connection. Second, chivalry. Chivalry might feel old school, but trust me, it never goes out of style. Women notice acts of chivalry right away because they show respect, kindness, and a thoughtful nature. Holding the door open, offering your jacket if it's cold, or letting her go first in a line are small gestures that leave a big impression. It's not about being over the top. It's about showing consideration and making her feel valued. For example, imagine you're walking together and you instinctively move to the side of the sidewalk, closest to the street. This simple act of care speaks volumes about your protective instincts. Chivalry shows that you're attentive and thoughtful, qualities that make you stand out in a world where many overlook the little things. It's these subtle gestures that can make a woman feel appreciated and drawn to you. Third, your scent walks into the room before you do. It's true, how you smell can leave a lasting impression before you even say a word. Women are naturally drawn to a please, clean and subtle fragrance because it shows you take care of yourself. A good scent can make you seem confident and put together, whether it's from a light cologne, a fresh-smelling deodorant, or just good hygiene. On the flip side, overpowering cologne or any hint of body odor can turn someone off just as quickly. It's all about balance, choosing a scent that's noticeable but not overwhelming. A fresh, inviting scent can trigger positive feelings, spark curiosity, and make her want to be closer to you. It's a small detail, but it says a lot about the kind of man you are. 4, style and dress sense. Your style is your first chance to make a statement without saying a word. Women quickly notice how you dress because it shows who you are and how much effort you put into your appearance. You don't have to wear expensive clothes, but wearing outfits that fit well and suit your body type makes a huge difference. A man who dresses with intention and pays attention to the details like matching colors, choosing the right shoes, and making sure his clothes are clean and wrinkle-free, automatically gives off a confident vibe. Your style speaks about your personality, whether it's casual, trendy, or classic. For example, a man who pairs a well-fitted jacket with a simple t-shirt and clean sneakers looks stylish and put together without overdoing it. Women appreciate a man who understands the importance of looking good and feeling comfortable in what he's wearing. 5, hair. Your hair is like the frame of your face. It can either make or break the picture. Women notice your hairstyle quickly because it says a lot about your personality and how much effort you put into your appearance. Whether it's a clean-cut fade, long flowing locks, or a classic buzz cut, what matters most is how well you maintain it. Hair that looks fresh, clean, and styled shows that you care about how you present yourself. For example, if you've got a short, neatly trimmed haircut, it gives off a polished, professional vibe, while a well-kept, messy look can make you seem laid back and approachable. Even if you're bald, keeping your scalp smooth and clean gives the impression of confidence. Women appreciate a man who takes the time to ensure his hair, or lack of it, is looking its best because it shows attention to detail and pride in your appearance. 6 hands. Picture this. You're talking to someone, and as you gesture or reach for something, they glance at your hands. Women notice hands more than you might think because they reveal a lot about you. Clean, well-groomed hands show you. Pay attention to hygiene and care about the little details. Fingernails that are trimmed and clean make a big difference, while rough, dirty, or bitten. Nails can leave a bad impression. Hands also tell a story, whether they're strong and callous from hard work or smooth and soft. They give a glimpse into your lifestyle. For example, a man with well-maintained hands holding a cup of coffee or casually adjusting his watch can look effortlessly attractive because it shows pride in his appearance. Hands are not just functional, they're a subtle but noticeable feature that can make you seem more put together and confident. 7. Physical fitness. Yeah, this one is hard to miss. How fit you are says a lot about your lifestyle and the effort you put into taking care of yourself. A healthy, fit body shows that you value your health, which can be a big turn on. It doesn't mean you need to have a six-pack or be super muscular, but being active and having a strong, well-toned physique makes you look confident and energetic. Women appreciate a man who puts in the work to stay healthy, whether it's through regular exercise, eating well, or just staying active. It shows discipline, commitment, and self-respect, all qualities that can be really attractive. Physical fitness isn't just about how you look, it's also about the energy and vibe you bring, and that definitely catches attention. 8. Shoes. Now let's talk about shoes. Your shoes say a lot about your personality, style, and how much effort you put into your overall appearance. They don't have to be expensive, but they should be clean and in good condition. Scuffed, dirty, or overly worn. Shoes can send the message that you don't pay attention to details, while polished, well-maintained shoes show that you take pride in how you present yourself. Women appreciate a man who can match his shoes to the occasion, whether it's sleek dress shoes for a formal event, stylish sneakers for a casual outing, or sturdy boots for a rugged look. Your choice of footwear also gives clues about your lifestyle and taste, making it an easy way to leave a positive impression without saying a word. Taking care of your shoes is a simple but powerful way to show you've got your act together. 9. Smile lines and facial expressions. This one is interesting. When you smile or show genuine emotion, it's not just your smile that stands out, but the way your face lights up. Smile lines, the little creases at the sides of your eyes, show that you laugh often and enjoy life. Women find this attractive because it suggests warmth, friendliness, and a positive attitude. Your facial expressions in general reveal your personality. So a guy who smiles, expresses kindness, or shows empathy with his face is naturally more appealing. For example, if you're talking to someone and you smile while they speak, your face looks more inviting and it makes the conversation feel more relaxed. It's these small, natural expressions that make a man seem approachable, genuine, and even more attractive. 10th. Confidence. This ain't about being overly loud or boastful, but rather about being comfortable in your own skin. Confidence shows when a man walks into a room with his head held high, makes eye contact, and speaks clearly without hesitation. It gives off the vibe that he knows his worth and isn't trying to prove anything to anyone. For example, imagine a guy at a social event who is friendly and approachable but also comfortable being himself. He doesn't feel the need to constantly seek validation, and he handles any awkward moments with ease and humor. This kind of confidence is magnetic because it makes a woman feel at ease and drawn to him without him trying too hard. Confidence makes a man seem more secure, which is an appealing quality in any relationship. 11th. Breath. Your breath is like your invisible handshake. It leaves a strong impression without anyone seeing it. Women quickly notice how your breath smells because it's something they experience up close, especially during conversations. Fresh breath shows you care about your hygiene and that you've put thought into how you present yourself. On the flip side, bad breath can ruin even the best first impression, no matter how great your style or smile is. Imagine talking to someone who looks great but has an unpleasant odor lingering. Suddenly all the attraction fades. A simple habit, like brushing your teeth using mouthwash or carrying mints, can make all the difference. For example, if you're on a date and she catches a fresh hint of mint while you're talking, it creates a clean, inviting vibe and makes her feel more comfortable being close to you. Breath might seem like a small detail, but it has a big impact on how attractive and approachable you seem. 12th sense of humor. A good laugh is like a magnet. It draws people in. Women quickly notice a man's sense of humor because it can lighten the mood and make them feel comfortable. Being able to laugh at yourself, crack a funny joke, or make her smile is a great way to connect. A good sense of humor shows that you're not only confident, but also approachable and easygoing. It makes conversations more enjoyable and shows that you don't take life too seriously. Women appreciate a man who can make them laugh without trying too hard or being offensive. It's about finding that balance between being funny, kind, and respectful. And when you get it right, it's instantly attractive. 13. Energy and vibe. Your vibe is like the atmosphere you create. It's felt before it's seen. Women quickly pick up on your energy because it can tell them so much about you without saying a word. How you carry yourself, whether you're confident, relaxed, or tense, affects how others feel around you. A positive, calm, and confident energy naturally draws people in. Women find men with good vibes attractive because it's comfortable to be around them. For example, if you're at a party and you seem confident, smile, and engaged with others, people, especially women, will feel drawn to you without you even trying on. The other hand, if you're negative, distant, or anxious, it can make things awkward. Your energy speaks volumes about your attitude, and when it's positive, it makes you instantly more appealing. And there you have it. Those are the first things women notice about men and find attractive. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about putting thought into the little details that make a big impact. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.